Welcome to Wondermelon Kids. Today, we are going to look up at the sky and count all the amazing things flying up above. Ready? Let's go. 1 rocket. 1 rocket blasting up into space. 1 rocket. I see 2 airplanes flying across the sky. Let's count together. 1, 2. 2 airplanes. 3 parachutes are floating gently in the sky. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 parachutes. Here come 4 helicopters whirling their blades. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 helicopters. 5 drones flying way up high. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drones. I see 6 kites dancing in the wind. Let's count 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kites. Look at that. 7 colorful balloons floating high. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balloons. Wow! 8 lanterns are glowing as they rise. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lanterns. 9 hot air balloons are floating up high. So many colors. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hot air balloons. 10 happy birds are flying together. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds. Great job! You counted all the way up in the sky. Please like and subscribe to Wondermelon Kids for more fun learning. See you soon.